Home sweet home, meaning home is a comforting place. Sentence, after traveling all day, I felt home sweet home. Like father, like son, meaning child behaves like parent. Sentence, he loves sports like his father, like father, like son. Run in the family, meaning a trait passed through family. Sentence, musical talent runs in their family. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree, meaning children resemble parents. Sentence, she's kind like her mom. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Keep the home fires burning, meaning maintain family life. Sentence, she keeps the home fires burning while he works. Blood is thicker than water, meaning family is more important than others. Sentence, he helped his brother because blood is thicker than water. Make yourself at home, meaning feel comfortable. Sentence, please sit and make yourself at home. Close-knit family, meaning very connected family. Sentence, they are a close-knit family who supports each other. In hot water, meaning in trouble. Sentence, he got in hot water for breaking rules. Put your feet up, meaning relax. Sentence, after dinner, she put her feet up and rested. House of cards, meaning weak situation. Sentence, his plan was a house of cards and failed. At home with something, meaning comfortable doing something. Sentence, she feels at home with cooking. Burn bridges, meaning destroy relationships. Sentence, don't burn bridges with your friends. Behind closed doors, meaning in private. Sentence, they discuss the matter behind closed doors. Bring home the bacon, meaning earn money. Sentence, he works hard to bring home the bacon. Make a house a home, meaning add warmth and comfort. Sentence, family love makes a house a home. Hit close to home, meaning emotionally touching. Sentence, the story hit close to home. Move out of the nest, meaning become independent. Sentence, it's time for him to move out of the nest. Keep it in the family, meaning share only with relatives. Sentence, let's keep this secret in the family. Settle down, meaning live a stable life. Sentence, he wants to settle down and start a family. Hit the books, meaning study hard. Sentence, I need to hit the books for exams. Learn the ropes, meaning learn how things work. Sentence, she is learning the ropes at her new school. Teacher's pet, meaning favorite student. Sentence, everyone thinks he's the teacher's pet. Top of the class, meaning best student. Sentence, she is always top of the class. Book smart, meaning good at studying. Sentence, he is book smart but shy. Learn by heart, meaning memorize. Sentence, students learned the poem by heart. Burn the midnight oil, meaning study late at night. Sentence, he burned the midnight oil before exams. Back to basics, meaning return to fundamentals. Sentence, let's go back to basics in grammar. Practice makes perfect, meaning practice improves skills. Sentence, she practices daily because practice makes perfect. Pass with flying colors, meaning succeed easily. Sentence, she passed with flying colors. Think outside the box, meaning be creative. Sentence, good students think outside the box. Get the hang of it, meaning learn how to do something. Sentence, after practice, he got the hang of it. On the same page, meaning agree or understand. Sentence, teachers and students should be on the same page. Raise the bar, meaning increase standards. Sentence, the teacher raised the bar this year. Ace the test, meaning get a high score. Sentence, she studied hard and aced the test. Read between the lines, meaning understand hidden meaning. Sentence, you must read between the lines. School of hard knocks, meaning learn from life experience. Sentence, he learned from the school of hard knocks. Keep your nose in a book, meaning study a lot. Sentence, she keeps her nose in a book. Get an A for effort, meaning praise for trying. Sentence, he didn't win but got an A for effort. Hit the ground running, meaning start quickly and energetically. Sentence, she hit the ground running in her new class. Pull your weight, meaning do your fair share. Sentence, everyone must pull their weight at work. Climbed a ladder, meaning get promoted. Sentence, he is climbing the corporate ladder. Work around the clock, meaning work all day and night. Sentence, they worked around the clock. In the loop, meaning informed. Sentence, keep me in the loop. Call it a day, meaning stop working. Sentence, let's call it a day. Back to the drawing board, meaning start over. Sentence, the plan failed, so back to the drawing board. On the ball, meaning alert and efficient. Sentence, she is always on the ball. Deadline looming, meaning time limit approaching. Sentence, the deadline is looming. All hands on deck, meaning everyone must help. Sentence, this project needs all hands on deck. Go the extra mile, meaning do more than required. Sentence, he goes the extra mile for customers. Keep your eye on the prize, meaning focus on goal. Sentence, stay motivated and keep your eye on the prize. Burn out, meaning become exhausted. Sentence, he burned out from too much work. Climb over obstacles, meaning overcome difficulties. Sentence, success means climbing over obstacles. Think on your feet, meaning respond quickly. Sentence, managers must think on their feet. In the driver's seat, meaning in control. Sentence, she is in the driver's seat of the project. Break new ground, meaning do something innovative. Sentence, this company is breaking new ground. Get down to business, meaning start serious work. Sentence, let's get down to business. Ahead of the curve, meaning more advanced than others. Sentence, he stays ahead of the curve. Pull an all-nighter, meaning work all night. Sentence, they pulled an all-nighter to finish. Raise eyebrows, meaning surprise people. Sentence, his sudden promotion raised eyebrows. Cost an arm and a leg, meaning very expensive. That phone costs an arm and a leg. Money talks, meaning money has power. In business, money talks. Broke the bank, meaning spent too much. Buying that car broke the bank. Tighten your belt, meaning spend less. We must tighten our belt this month. Get your money's worth, meaning value for money. This product gives money's worth. Make ends meet, meaning manage expenses. Many families struggle to make ends meet. Cash in on, meaning profit from. He cashed in on the new trend. Penny pincher, meaning very careful with money. My uncle is a penny pincher. Live within your means, meaning spend wisely. Always live within your means. Bargain hunter, meaning person who looks for cheap deals. She is a bargain hunter. Pay through the nose, meaning pay too much. Tourists often pay through the nose. Out of pocket, meaning paid personally. He paid out of pocket. Hit the jackpot, meaning win big money. She hit the jackpot in the lottery. Buy in bulk, meaning purchase large quantity. Buying in bulk saves money. Feather your nest, meaning save money for yourself. He is feathering his nest. Hard-earned money, meaning money earned with effort. Spend your hard-earned money wisely. Throw money down the drain, meaning waste money. Gambling is throwing money down the drain. Sell like hotcakes, meaning sell very quickly. The new phones sell like hotcakes. In the red, meaning losing money. The company is in the red. Rolling in money, meaning very rich. After success, he was rolling in money. Hit the road, meaning start traveling. Let's hit the road early. Travel light, meaning carry few items. It's easier to travel light. On the move, meaning traveling. They are always on the move. Off the beaten path, meaning unusual place. We explored places off the beaten path. Catch a flight, meaning take an airplane. I must catch a flight tomorrow. Go sightseeing, meaning visit tourist spots. We went sightseeing in the city. Miss the boat, meaning miss an opportunity. He missed the boat on the job. In the same boat, meaning in same situation. We are all in the same boat. Break the ice, meaning start a conversation. A joke helped break the ice. Get out of hand, meaning lose control. The party got out of hand. Paint the town red, meaning go out and have fun. Let's paint the town red tonight. On cloud 9, meaning very happy. She was on cloud 9 after winning. Under the weather, meaning feeling sick. I feel under the weather today. Speak of the devil, meaning person appears while being talked about. Speak of the devil, here he comes. A social butterfly, meaning very social person. Sarah is a social butterfly. Keep in touch, meaning stay connected. Let's keep in touch after the trip. Life of the party, meaning most fun person. Mike is the life of the party. On thin ice, meaning in risky situation. He is on thin ice with his boss. Go with the flow, meaning adapt easily. Just relax and go with the flow. Live it up, meaning enjoy life fully. They lived it up on vacation.